Good morning, students. Now we are going to continue with the problems which are based on arithmetic progressions. Now in the last classes we have seen the problems which were based on arithmetic mean. Now some of the important problems that we are going to see now. So the problem is such that if the sum of the problem number 6 exercise 9.2, right? Exercise 9.2 problem number 6 I am solving. Right? The problem says if the sum of certain terms of an AP is that the AP that they are given is 25, 22, 19 and so on is 116 then here we need to find the last term. Find the last term. Now, in this type of problems, what we are actually going to do is, now this AP is given, right? The AP is 25, 22, 19. And the sum when you add it, it is given as 116. Now in this problem we see that the value of A is 25. The value of D is, now 22 minus 25 is minus 3. 19 minus 22 is minus 3. So the value of D here is minus 3. Now we need to find what is n first, and also they have asked what is the last term. They have given when you add this arithmetic progression, the result that you are going to get is 116. So from the given problem, the data, from the given data, what we see here is Sn is 116. The first term is 25. The common difference is minus 3. Now, if I want to find the last term, I know the formula to find the last term is n is equals to a plus n minus 1 into t. But here, they happen to be two unknowns. I don't know what is n, I don't know what is n. So, first I have to find what is the value of n. So to find the value of n, I will be making use of the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now Sn value that we have seen, Sn value is 116. So 116 is equals to n by 2 into, what is the value of a? 25. 2 into 25 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. That I have substituted. So 2 you transfer it to the other side. So it is 232 is equals to n into bracket 50 plus, so I will make it as minus 3n plus 3. Now I will open this bracket now. What I have done, just you have concentration. So here I have applied the Sn formula. So Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The value of Sn is 116. So that is n by 2 into 2 into 25, because the value of A is 25. N minus 1 into minus 3. So when I open this bracket, here I will be getting minus 3n into n is minus 3n. Minus of minus, it is plus. So this will be 232 is equals to 50n minus 3n square plus 3n. So 232 is equals to 47n minus 3n square. So it will be 3n square minus 47n. 3n square minus 47n plus 232 is equals to 0. This is what we get here. So what we get first. So 53 minus of minus is plus, so plus it will be 53n. So it is 53n plus 3. So this is what you get, 3n square minus 53n plus 232 is equals to 0. This happens to be a quadratic equation, and once you find the factors that you will be getting is 3n square minus 24n minus 29n plus 232 is equals to 0. So 3n you take common, so it is n minus 8, minus 29 you take common, n minus 8 is equals to 0. So you get it as 3n minus 29 into n minus 8 is equals to 0. So the value of n is 8. That will be 8. The value of n will be 8. So you have to solve this quadratic equation. So the value of n that you will be getting is n is equals to 8. Once you get the value of n is 8, so here you have got n value as 8. Now I will be applying Tn formula, that is the last term, is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is equals to 25 plus 8 minus 1 into minus 3. n is equals to 25 plus 7 into minus 3. n is equals to 25 minus 21. So the value of n will be 4. So here the last term that you are getting is 4. When you verify, when you write this AP up to 8 terms, and when you add it, the result that you will be getting is 116. The result that you get is 116. So this is how you will be solving that problem number 6. Now, the next problem that I am going to take is of similar one. The next problem that I am going to take is of similar type. That is from exercise 9.2 only, and the problem number is 4. Problem number is 4. How many terms of the AP? The AP is given minus 6, minus 11 by 2, minus 5. Minus 6, minus 11 by 2, minus 5 are needed. How many terms are needed? That is the value of n we need to find. We are not the last term. In the previous problem, we have found what is the last term. But here, how many terms are needed to make the sum minus 25? So Sn is going to be, so the value of Sn here, the Sn is going to be minus 25. So the AP which is there is given by minus 6, minus 11 by 2, minus 5 and so on. Here if you look at this AP, the first term that we get is minus 6. We need to find the value of D. D will be equal to T2 minus T1, is it not? So minus 11 by 2 minus of minus 6. So minus 11 by 2 plus 6. So 2 is the LCM, minus 11 plus 12. So it is 1 by 2. The value of D that you get is 1 by 2. So here I am writing D is equals to 1 by 2. Here also you can check with minus 5 plus 11 by 2. There also you will be getting. So what I will be applying is, you can just check it out once again. D is equals to T3 minus T2. It should be the same. The third term is minus 5. The second term is minus 11 by 2. This minus comes from the formula to find the common difference. So here D is equals to minus 5 minus of minus 11 by 2. So D is equals to minus 5 plus 11 by 2. So D is equals to, so here D is equals to 2 minus 10 plus 11. So that answer is 1 by 2. So the value of D is 1 by 2. Now, you come back to the problem. Here we know we need to find what is n given Sn is equals to minus 25. Here remember, as in the last problem, we don't know what is the last term. So I will be making use of the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into b. So Sn is given to be minus 25 is equals to n by 2 into minus 6 plus n minus 1 into 1 by 2. The value of d that I have substituted. This 2, n by 2 I will transfer it to the other side. So that is minus 50 is equals to n into minus 12 plus 1 by 2, n by 2 minus 1 by 2. So minus 50 is equals to n into, or I will take this minus 12n plus n square by 2 minus n by 2. Again 2 happens to be the LCM. Minus 50 is equals to minus 24n plus n square minus n divided by 2. So minus 100 is equals to n square minus 23n. So n square minus 23n plus 100 is equals to 0. Sorry, minus 25n. So minus 25n is equals to 0. So this will be n square minus 25. So it is n square minus 20n minus 5n plus 100 is equals to 0. So this will be n into n minus, right? So what I will do here is n square minus 20n minus 5n. So n into n minus 20 minus 5 into n minus 20 is equals to 0. So n is equals to 5 or n is equals to 20. The nearest term, if both are positive, the nearest term, the first term you are going to consider here. So the value of n here is 5. So you get the value of n as 5. So in the next classes, I will be solving more problems of this type. Right? Thank you.